Today's video will be about how to lucid dreams. Lucid dreams, first of all, is self-awareness within our dreams that we are dreaming. Every dream always takes place in an astral plane. Astral plane are different dimensions that we visit every time that we leave our body while sleeping. But most of the time we are not aware that we are just leaving our body to go to the astral plane. And every time that we sleep, every time we visit different astral plane. But when we come back to the physical world, we never remember what happened there. This is why a lot of us always wish to have lucid dreams, because lucid dreams are really important in every human being, because the advantage to have lucid dreams is to go there and to get information about what will happen in the physical world, is to be able to grab everything there and to bring here in the physical world, because everything happened first in the spiritual world. But why most of us are not able to lucid dream or even to remember their dreams is because we don't have yet that state of consciousness, and we will have to work on it, because we have to understand that our senses, our physical senses, are not the one used when we go back inside the inner world. The inner world are other senses. The inner world is not the outer world. The physical senses are used for the outer world. They are used to perceive everything in the outer world. But once we go deep inside the sleep, once we go in the astral plane, we cannot use them anymore. They don't have any value for us anymore in the astral plane. So we need them while we are here in the physical world. When we are awake, we need every time to exercise our awareness, to be aware of our environment, to talk to ourselves. The best thing to do is every time before to go to bed, when we want to sleep, to talk to ourselves, because ourselves, we think we are talking alone, but we are not talking alone. We are talking to our soul, to our spirit. And we have to say, once you go there, and you have to give him what the order of what you expect your spirit to do once your spirit is going to the lucid dreams. Because normally it's only your body will sleep and your egos go to another world, because your ego has to repeat the loop of what you did during the day, and also maybe what you did before going to sleep. This is why we really need to be careful about what we are doing right before going to sleep. So, and now our higher self, we have to tell our higher self what we are expecting our higher self to do. So maybe let's say I want a solution to this problem. So before sleeping, we just have to focus and push our awareness and talk to our higher self, telling him, while you are there in the astral world, I want you to do this. I want you to remember this. I want you, and do it every day until you will be able to remember your dream and to make lucid dreams. And also there are some people who are scared to face, some entities there, or negative entities. What you need to know is the negative entity that you face in lucid dreams are just state of your emotion. So when you are really vibrating in negative emotion, you will just meet those entities. This is why it's really important to work on our emotion. Once you work in your emotion, you can just go higher to the pyramid. You don't go down where you meet all those negative entities. And despite the fact if you still meet them, you need to master them, because this is where the lucid dream is good. Because while you know inside your dream that while I'm dreaming, you can still master them, because in the dream while you know you are dreaming, you have to know your strength. You are strong than them. So if you are scared, they will feed on your fear. So you don't have to be scared, you will still wake up. But you have to master them, because they feed on you, they feed on that negative energy, they feed on that fear. This is why they're always there to scare you, because once you scream, you are feeding them. But once you will be enlightened, you will not meet them anymore, and they will go away, because uh, they will not find you interesting anymore. So you really have to work on your consciousness. You really need to work on your emotion, because the astral world is not the physical world. You never know what you will meet there. So to have lucid dream, speak every night before bed, before you go to sleep. Speak every night to your higher self. Speak every night to yourself. Tell what you want to do. Tell what you want, what you are expecting. Say the instruction and be confident, because that will happen. Give the instruction of what you want. Say to yourself, okay, today I want to experience this, or today I want to go to this place, today I want to meet this person, today I want this and that, and this will really happen. But you also need to have a quiet state of mind. You really need to be in peace in your brain, because as I said earlier, be careful about your emotion. For example, if you had a fight before sleeping, and then you say, okay, I want to go to lucid dream, I want to make a lucid dream, is more possibly that you can meet negative entity or have bad dream, or not even be aware, because then the physical senses and the emotion are just like a banner for you not to perceive what is really happening in your dream. So really, to have a lucid dream, you really need to have a clear state of mind. You really need to be in peace with yourself. Put yourself in a nice mood. Play a nice music, a kind of music will really vibrate with you, a kind of music will make you think or bring you really high, if I can say. Play that music, talk to yourself, close your eyes, be with your mind alone in your own world. And I'm pretty sure that if you do that every time, you will be able to have lucid dreams.